Welcome to our Cabopino, the world's first luxury villas that combine artificial intelligence, ultra-luxury, and one-of-a-kind facility. Our Cabopino is built on luxury, technology, and security. On the 22nd, we had a live presentation of the villa's features. We had advanced home robotics, AI guard dogs, Face ID cameras, the Antonio yacht, the drones with thermal cameras, Land Rover Defender, and a golf membership. This floating villa of 800 square meters with the sea and golf views redefines the concept of luxury, comfort, and lifestyle. Starting prices at $4,150,000, and in 2026 we will also be launching a new line of domestic robotics. It's not just a house, it's a future brought to life.